Avni's yoga party. It was the start of summer break and Avni was buzzing with excitement. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? She asked, bouncing in her car seat. She wasn't excited for mangoes. She wasn't excited for bedtime stories from Nani. She was excited because this time she was going to join her Nanu for yoga. And guess what? Her Nanu was super famous. People called him Yoga Super Nanu. He woke up every day at 4:30 a.m., zoomed off on his scooty and taught yoga to so many people, young and old. That night, Avni set her tiny blue alarm clock. But guess what? She didn't need it. Her eyes popped open before the beep. She jumped out of the bed, brushed her teeth in super speed, put on her blue and white yoga outfit, and tiptoed to the kitchen. There stood Nanu, already smiling, and beside him, a plate with 2 shiny apple slices. Ready, Yogi? He grinned. Ready! Yoga, Super Grandpa! She giggled. They munched their apples together and then off they went, vroom on the scooty. The park was glowing in soft golden light. So many people were there. Aunties, uncles, kids, even one dada with a walking stick, all rolling out colorful yoga mats. Avni's eyes sparkled. Wow, they all came for you, Nanu. Not for me. He smiled. For themselves, for their health, their hearts, their smiles. Avni proudly rolled out her tiny mat. Everyone waved and welcomed her. Let's begin, Nanu called. They clapped, they stretched, they wiggled, they laughed. At the end, they sat cross-legged, eyes closed, hands on knees. Nanu, what are we doing now? This is called meditation, he said softly. We are saying hello to our breath. It helps us feel calm, happy, and strong on the inside. Avni smiled and whispered back, Hi, breath. After yoga, we all clapped again. On the way home, Avni hugged him tight. Nanu, I'm so happy. My heart feels like a smiling balloon. Nanu smiled. Haha, that's the yoga magic, my dear. Later that evening, at the park, Avni saw her friend Adya. I had the best morning, Adya. I did yoga with Nanu. Yoga? That sounds serious. No, it was fun. You want me to show you? Oh yes, let's do it together. Okay, Adya, I'll be the yoga teacher now. Let's go, yogis. I'll show you the fun way. The first one is clapping pose. Clap above your head. Clap below your head. This wakes you up like a jumping snack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we have head circles. Turn your head slow, right and up, left and down. This makes your neck happy. Repeat this 5 times, round and round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up next is diagonal toe touch. Let's bend to our right and then up. Bend to our left and then up. Don't worry if you wobble. It strengthens your sides and back of the thigh muscles. Let's repeat this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one is my favorite. Jump squats. Down you sit like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Up you jump like there is no limit. Good for your leg and tummy too. Let's do 5 more, me and you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! You did it! Now we have tree pose. Let's turn into a tree, friends. Stand tall. Right foot on your left leg. Arms up. Higher like a twiggy twig. Stay steady, don't fall. It makes you strong and helps you balance around. Stay in this position till 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, what a balance! Now we have cat-cow pose. Let's become a cow and a cat. Moo! Lift your head up and drop your tummy low. Meow! Roll your back like a rainbow. Let's repeat this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing! Now, the last one. This is called meditation. Sit crisscross, close your eyes tight. Hands on your knees, feel just right. Take a deep breath, slow and long. Inhale, exhale. Let's say Om. Om is a magic sound. Om. Good for your heart, good for your mind. A little calmness You will find. Adya clapped. Avni, that was so much fun. Avni smiled. Told ya, yoga is not boring. It's body party fun.